In this video, we're going to create a full-service landscaping proposal group in SingleOps. This allows you to group multiple service offerings into one proposal for your customer to review and sign. Once accepted, you'll have multiple jobs that can be scheduled with the correct crews. First, let's create the first job within that proposal group. For this example, I'm going to use this irrigation job template. Like any other job in SingleOps, enter the customer's information. Be sure to enter the customer billing schedule for each job in this proposal group. This is what allows you to bill your customer once per billing period. Name this new customer billing schedule, select the payment term, the appropriate operation, and select the invoice frequency. For this example, I will select monthly, every month, on the last day of every month. When finished, click Save. The customer billing schedule is now applied to this job. Make sure recurring is selected. Set up your date range. Since we are charging our customer a flat monthly rate for their full service maintenance contract, select Fixed Invoicing. The schedule will tie into the billing schedule we just created. Fill out location information as you would for any other job in SingleOps. In this section, Work Estimate, we have entered the items that our crews will see on the work orders along with their costs. In the billable section for invoices, we have entered the items our customer will see on their proposal and invoice. And when you're finished, click Save and Create Proposal Group. When you click that button, you have two options. Option 1 is to select a job template to use for that proposal group, and Option 2 is to save and create the proposal group from scratch. For this example, I'm going to choose the lawn care job template. Click Save and Create using Template. Before we start our next job, you can update the name of the proposal group in the upper right-hand corner. Next, go through the same process as before. Make sure recurring is set, choose that same customer billing schedule, double-check the start dates and times, make sure that your invoicing is set to Fixed Invoicing. Since we have Fixed Invoicing selected, the work estimate is where you enter the cost and the work to be done by the crew. And the billable for invoice is where you can enter the service price your customer will see on the proposal and invoice. Repeat this process as many times as needed until all jobs have been added to the proposal group. But if you're all finished, click Save and Close. When you send the proposal to your customer, they'll be able to see the total for each individual job in the proposal group and the grand total for the entire season. You can see our irrigation startup and shutdown, the amount they will be paying per month, and the number of months they'll have an invoice. This pulls from the number of fixed invoices from the job. In this example, our start and end date ran from March to October, 8 months long, and our fixed invoice schedule on each job is set up monthly. You can adjust the job level proposal document template and admin settings to include this column. This proposal is finished and ready to be sent out to the customer.